Would you like to add a beautiful, modern, and fully customizable search bar to your real estate website? With IDX Addons by Realty Candy, this is not only possible, it's incredibly easy. In this video, I'll show you how to add a stylish listing search bar directly to your homepage, customize it to perfectly match your website's design, and publish it in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, we need to decide where we want our search bar to appear. In this example, we'll place it on the homepage right inside the Hero section. As you can see on this test page, we already have a few widgets applied, custom colors, and styling. Now, we're going to add the search bar right on top, where it makes the biggest impact. The first thing we need to do is open our CRM. In this case, we are using GoHighLevel, which we highly recommend. From the main dashboard, go to Sites, then Websites, and select Lender. Once inside, click on Home, and then choose Edit in a new tab. After the page loads, scroll down just below the text. Click on More, then select Code and open the code editor. This is where we'll paste the code for our search bar. Now, let's head over to IDX Addons. Inside IDX Addons, go to the Applications or Apps section. Look for Search Tool and open it. Here, you'll find a wide range of customization options, from tabs, fields, layouts, and more. For this video, we'll focus only on style. Scroll all the way down, copy the generated code, and paste it into your home page inside the web editor. Save the changes. You might notice something right away. The search button looks a little too close to the elements around it. No problem. We'll simply add a margin of 20, save again, and move on. Now the search bar is visible, but it doesn't look quite right yet. This is where the real power of IDX Addons shines. And yes, all of this is completely free. First, under Theme, select Basic. You'll notice the button color is orange by default. That doesn't match our website at all, so let's fix that. Go back to the web editor, click on the original button on the page, and under the General tab, scroll down to Background Color. Click the color picker, copy the hex color code, and paste that same color into IDX Addons. Button color button, border color, button, hover color, tabs color. Now, for the background color of the entire search bar, we don't want white. We want it transparent. So we'll add 2 zeros to the color value, remove the border size, and save. Refresh the page. Much better, but we can still improve it. Let's set all text colors to black. The button text, drop-down text, everything labeled as text color. Save and refresh. Great. Now let's make it look even cleaner. Find Input Radius and change it from 5 to 25. Save and refresh. Perfect. The button now feels modern and polished. The last thing to fix is the labels. Let's change the label color to white and increase the font size to 24. Refresh. A little too big. Let's adjust it down to 20, save, and refresh again. Perfect. Now everything looks exactly how it should. The drop-down is green with black text. The labels are white, and the entire search bar blends beautifully with the site. Let's do a quick test. Search for a city, Florida City, and click search. And there we go. All available listings are displayed correctly and instantly. At this point, everything is fully configured and ready. You can now publish this search bar directly on your website and give your visitors a powerful professional search experience. If you'd like a full, in-depth video on how to customize the IDX Addons search bar even further, leave a comment below and let me know. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.